The most businessman I have known and have seen that has been killed and no operation launch. You never hear a word from the police, a word from the MP, a word from the council about it, but yet two bumbleclad dirty gal, two Jezebel gal. One where they said the police killing a Kingston, Donnelly, and it's a daughter one and dead. And the only bumbleclad claim to fame is said that they are social media influencers when they are not but fucking exalted pussy sellers.
Oh, me telling a long time, say the man them they jealous of the woman, you know. Them want run in pan the woman them thing. Remember say the woman them love attention. Men, you cannot be disparaging my woman just because you jealous of them. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, yeah, now I ask you say, hit that red subscribe button, become a part of the Rastaman panel. Now, you hear those comments coming from a Jamaican man. Sorrow has brewed in the family of Slickianna, and it appears that some of these men are jealous of the women. Now, it's an egregious situation where the body of this social media influencer was found floating. Yes, in the ocean, close to St. James, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking about in Montego Bay. Now, it's unfortunate there has been suspect of Roshane Patterson that has been named. Now, I got this video here from my family member. Big up yourself, me Jenna. Yeah. And it is a shock to me to hear how this person, this man took in the video, I describe my beautiful women. And I'm telling you, the two women they match about is Donnelly Donaldson that was murdered by the notorious police cop by the name of Noel. And this other one here now is Slickianna, known as Kayan, ladies and gentlemen. It's an unfortunate Miss Townsend body was found. And listen to this man, angry at me black woman just because them pretty man I run them down. Me I tell you, say, enough times I wonder about them. Listen to the way him a chat. Unbelievable, my lord.
And no operation launch. You never hear a word from the police, a word from the MP, a word from the council.
It sounds like, say, that man are really jealous of the beautiful woman them out on my island. And the worldwide, me I tell you, say, them black man are them jealous of the woman them. Them want wear 2 ears ring and tight pants just like the woman them. You are gonna teeth, them want smooth skin like the woman them. So them a bleach. Them all a drop down them pants like the woman them. But listen to this. Excuse for a man. A cold-hearted, calculated, you are going to disparagement of Slickianna. Listen what I say.
The most businessman I have known and have seen that has been killed and no operation launch. You never hear a word from the police, a word from the MP, a word from the council about it, but yet two bumbleclad dirty gal, two Jezebel gal. One where they said the police killing a Kingston, Donnelly, and it's a daughter one and dead. And the only bumbleclad claim to fame is said that they are social media influencers when they are not but fucking exalted pussy sellers. And them get the attention. And them they on CVM, and them they on TVJ, and them they on talk show, and them they on fucking YouTube, and them but yet people who contribute to society.
That man him a go in hard. This sound like it hurt you, my brother. Say the woman them on TVJ and CVN and YouTube. Then YouTube. Look here. All of the woman them. Listen. Never know that you are wicked enough. Cause it sound like a woman him come out. This man sound like him not come from Jamaica. Can't come from Jamaica when I'm my mother me love the most, no matter what. And I'm my granny me love the most, no matter what. And I'm my baby mother them touch them and no see me love the most. And my beautiful daughter was supposed to grow up and be as gorgeous as Slickianna and as gorgeous as Donnelly. Now the man them fi keep them hand to themselves. You are gonna tea a week on a week out and can't take a fire. Where the girl them about on a week. Listen to me. No reason
Most
in the
businessman
world
I have known and I've seen
them
that has
women are
been
at fault for the egregious crime that has been committed against them. The girl them look good. And what do you, man? Waters we are run from the land of wood and water. On a call, listen to this fool, how he is speaking about the tragedy that has reached one of our beautiful, beautiful women, one of our citizens of my island. It is egregious to know that this is a
known and
human
I've
being.
seen that has been killed and no operation launch.
A lie.
You never hear a
God,
word
no
from the
boy get
police,
killer
a
operation
word
right
from
now.
the MP, a word from the council about it, but yet two bumbleclad dirty gal,
Listen
two
to me.
Jezebel gal.
Oh, you know
one
them
of them said the
dirty.
police killing a Kingston, Donnelly, and it's a dirty one and dead. And the only bumbleclad claim to fame is said that they are social media influencers when they are not but fucking exalted pussy sellers.
Hey,
And them
and
get
the
their
number
attention.
one job
And
in
them
the
they on
world.
CVM, and then they on TVJ, and then they on talk show, and then they on fucking YouTube, and then every bumbleclad body I talk about. But yet people who contribute to society, then dead, and they hear not about it. We're fucking gone as a country, I'm vexed about it. Operation launch for bumbleclad man, who then say probably kill this a girl who never employ a soul from the day she pussy clot born. But yet my father employ 6
No. No. I beg to differ. Because if you are blame her, for you move the shun on a rapid scale, you are guarantee. When me a talk about she a sell it over the phone and people a pick it up because she a deliver. And many people get hired. From the taxi cab to the hotel management crew. All those people. So you can't tell me say the woman them now hire people. You are guarantee. Allah you not tell. And I do not find myself in this world to be jealous of a girl that have her own shun and I sell it left, right and center. Cause them say the shun cutting a toe. You are guarantee half might not be for me, but I know half is for you. Now look at the beautiful, gorgeous young woman that's living her life. I don't care if she a sell, that means a boy a buy. So when you come on social media or I send out voice note disparaging my beautiful young women, disparaging my melanated nation, disparaging the female of Jamaicans, you can know yourself, boy. Because the ram goat them on the farm did they get butcher. And the your goat them did they produce. You are guarantee you are run too doggone loose. You don't get me upset and vexed right now. Because them dash for the young lady. Dash for Donnelly. And them catch null. And before now say fi quicky neck uno over here so I disparage the victims of these heinous crimes. It is unbelievable. Unkind. Cause you can't be a man. And you definitely don't sound kind. I overstand the statements that you're making. That some of them are moving loose like water. But this is not your sister, mother, or even your daughter. I know your baby mother, that's why you're speaking like this. I know you're picking why you attack like this. At this program. You are guarantee me no want uno fi talk about the woman them like this on no public stage. If uno have something like this, go in your yard, go talk like this like a mange, or go around people where can know say boy this youth is strange. But this, if you make voice note, put all video to it, and send it out by internet like say, hey, listen to me. I burn me about out them boy, cause them boy are jealous. A black woman. Told the woman look good and cute. You are run out and come disparage her. with those kind of negative talks. Listen, everybody knows enough of what you are saying is the truth. But again, you can keep certain things to yourself, brother. I know your daughter, I know your sister.
I hear a word from the police, a word from the MP, a word from the council about it, but yet two bumbleclad, dirty girl, two Jezebel girl. One what they say the police killing a Kingston, Donnelly, and it's a Dutton and dead. And the only bumbleclad claim to fame is said that they are social media influencers when they are not.
Of course, they are influencing social media. Of course,
and them they on CVM, and then they on TVJ, and talk show, and then they on fucking YouTube.
And them me want to say on YouTube. Yo, listen to me, man. Me no want to see no whole heap of man. You are going to? Me know say enough of the item subscribe to the channel, but are the woman them me say. So whenever you come and attack FRA about me beautiful Jamaican women, especially when them meet them demise in such a heinous way, and you want come go on like say, yo, your masculine toxicity is supposed to boil over like you're in a pressure cooker, and if we fault your girl left you or deal with your improper. Listen to me, family and friends, me want to know if you leave your comment, because me not tell you no lie. Of lately, them boy you can't try bait me. You are going to, because the woman them a date me. And most of them boy you hate me. Because I and I'm going to speak the truth. Like I said, I agree with some of the things that he's saying. Because enough of these women, it's men they're playing. They're proliferating the sale of shunshun. I mean you buy one and get two free. It's unbelievable to me. But like Alonji tell you, all the woman them are for me. So why would you be vexed? Say this woman here, I wear fishnet. Why would you vex? Say this woman here catch man like fly. I know for your shunshun a rub like a rubber tire. You are going to, and I'm telling you, I am seeing it for years now. The black man them jealous of the black woman them. You are going to. I can guarantee. You are going to. From the double ears ring to the tight pants. A woman's space uno are running up. From the bleaching cream. Trying to be the next beauty queen. I'm telling you people. Them boy make me sick and disgusted. To hear him actually post this on social media.
You never hear a word from the police, a word from the MP, a word from the council about it, but yet two bumbleclad, dirty girl, two Jezebel girl. One what they say the police killing a Kingston, Donnelly, and it's a Dutton and dead. And the only bumbleclad claim to fame is said that they are social media influencers when they are not but fucking.
Yeah, but
them get the attention. And them they on CVM, and then they on TV.
Money, working money, bring it come. What it is any of your business.
But yet people who contribute to society, then dead.
The woman them are the one them will have you and push you out. And the woman them contribute to society in the greatest way by providing life. And how you think life forward? Not for we. Not for we. It's a money that they run per mommy. Not for we. Not for we. It's a plate of food that they give mommy. Not for we. Not for we. I saw nice clothes and one decent night out. So don't rampant me woman them when them do them works. Because one of their number one works is to make you take off them blouse and skirt. Listen to me. You are move like you're jealous. You are move like you're envious. You are move like you did want to shine palm prime time. You are going like you did want the palm my YouTube. And you know what, if you have this beautiful young Jamaican woman a flashing on my screen so people can watch it and understand what me mean. A jealous, some black man jealous of the black woman because the black woman have your eyes. looking and your neck turning, and no matter how them do you wrong, you have to sing that same old song. Let's get it on, because they are irresistible. They're sweet like brown sugar, honey mixed together. I fool them boy you take me for. You want post them thing upon social media. I bun out some bad mind, jealous, envious boy. We don't like to see the black woman them shine. Them want to have them like a string round them figure like a yo-yo, like a toy. But them your social media influencer. Inna the fans only. Ha-ha. Log on if you find yourself lonely. Me don't know nothing about that though. Don't wrap up the Rasta man in it. I read and wonder what's up with these girls. They're looking for a seed. Yeah, because the whole world needed people. The whole world needed people. We can't live without the gorgeous ladies. And I do not want to hear no boy I come on the live social media worldwide international internet. I can't talk about my Jamaican woman them if I know nothing good. And what do you? Them boys seem like them need to go live in Hollywood. After Donald Lee and Slickianna make it on the YouTube and influence the boy them to come spend the money. This ya boy move like him a dummy. Like him wouldn't see a Slickianna. I can't give him a thing and run it. It is unbelievable to hear the disparaging of a young woman that is deceased. You are guaranteed. It's just not. I cannot fathom.
Dirty girl. Two Jezebel girl. One where they say the police killing a Kingston.
The lack of compassion by my nation.
Claim to fame. They say that they are social media.
The woman long time. So them a figure out how to wear them pants down below them waistline. The man them jealous of the woman. Even Stevie Wonder can see. Them all a bleach out them skin. So other man can see. A joke thing. Double ears ring tight pants below waist. So when you hear them boy you come on social media and a woman them a chase, you know where it a forward from. The black man them don't love the power black woman. And all the woman do is put on her clothes. You are guaranteed. And her junior reader asking, Rose, where's your clothes? And here we come. The death of a social media influencer. Slickianna, Mrs. Townsend, a.k.a. Kayan. Rob this your man you so bad. Him have to put out this your social media video here. Unbelievable. And me I'll tell you again, the woman look good. Unbelievable. She should have be a Hollywood. You are going to she look good. So people want to remember, it's Rastafari soldier here of Deep Roots TV, and I'm letting you know the black man them envious of the black woman them, cause these black women are power women. You are going to them make your eye dazzle and make your neck turn, because them say what? Them are independent ladies and them have to learn how to earn, and the number one business that's known to women is selling the shun. So I know like say she invented. Don't be jealous. Just big up the game. You can't hate the player in the game, people. You have to hate the game. And the rules are, man not jealous of woman. Man not seek attention like women. Because that women yours to make the 6 o'clock news. It's unfortunate that I would hear such a thing on the social media, so me have to talk about it really. I man go off some time, you know. But you not go hear me and disparage them like that. I know them just a sell shun. But make them sell it Zoom. How you think enough are we born? How you think enough are we born? Hey.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
How you think enough are we born?
TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Me not promote the shun selling, but if she look like Donna Lee and Sticky Ann, why me things will be swelling. And not my fault, I saw the Most High make it and set it. From me thing good Rasta afi getty.